Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty, where we are making makeup great again. Yes, I think I'm going to start using that because I need to take that tag and turn it into something positive. So we're making makeup great again here, and today I have the Boxycharm by Ipsy box for June. So this is the June box. The theme is Ready, Set, Play. So I did manage to use every single product in the box today, so I want to go over each one of them with you. You guys want to see what came in the June 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy box, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Before we get to what's in the box, I do want to remind you guys of something, that I'll be giving away a Dossier perfume when we hit 500 subscribers. Don't forget, if you want to shop Dossier, you can use my code Marty10 and save some money on it. Today, I'm going to use Citrus Green Apple. I actually haven't applied my perfume yet, so I'm going to do that now. Also, y'all can see right here, where's she at? There she go. I have my Amber Vanilla candle burning. It is so nice, y'all. It smells up the whole upstairs of my house and I absolutely love it. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, it's very pretty, but it also smells really good. So I'm going to go ahead and apply facing the other direction. Don't spray perfume on a candle, dummies. You will blow up your house and you don't want to do that. So I'm going to spray Citrus Green Apple. It's super hot outside, so I just wanted something fresh. Using Citrus Green Apple, I've been using a lot of orange blossom, powdery orange flower, all those kind of things, like a lot of fruity light scents because it's just so freaking hot outside, y'all. Alright y'all, so before I get into it, I want to remind y'all how this setup kind of goes. One, I did manage to try out every single product today, so there is no product I won't be using today. Two, I'm going to include a factory picture with the MSRP price, and I'm going to list all of that down below along with everything else I'm wearing on my face. So if there's something else you're seeing and you're like, man, that lip combo is pretty, I'm going to put that down at the bottom. Just a heads up on that. And I'm going to insert footage of me trying stuff out. Let's go ahead and get to it. I think I want to go from least favorite to favorite, but I will tell y'all ahead of time, this is a freaking good box. I literally could, I don't think I can even pick a favorite product because there's so many good things in it this time. Reminder of the tiers. The Glam bag is the bottom Ipsy Glam bag. I don't think I have any. Oh, I do actually have an old one in here. I used to be an Ipster, so this is the size of the old Ipsy Glam bags. This one is probably from like 5 years ago, but this is about the size of the Glam bags. You get 5 like mini products or travel size or sample size products. And I was an Ipster for a while, but I actually got rid of Ipsy to get Boxycharm. So the second tier is the Boxycharm base box, which is this here. You get 5 full-size items along with 3 items you get to choose. And then you can also do add-ons and drop shop purchases and all that. I actually just bought a flat iron from there because mine it's time for her to go. I had her for a while. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. I think I'll just randomly grab stuff because literally, y'all, everything is good. I liked everything. Let me start with, okay, I'll start with the least impressive thing. So one of the things they gave me is this GOLDFADEN MD Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. So this I've been using every day. I'll throw y'all to me trying it out. I really like it. It is a cleansing gel. I was using a different face wash in the morning, but I remembered when I got this that they had sent me this one, the Vital Boost, from the same brand, and y'all know I like a system, so when I realized I had a system, I decided to just switch over to this for the morning. So I did try this one out there too for the first time. I reviewed this. This came in one of the boxes a while back. I'll put a card for when I originally got this one up here, but I did try it out in this video with this cleanser. Let's talk about the cleanser. I wanted to see if there was a price point on it. There is not. This is the GOLDFADEN MD Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. A daily multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, removes dead skin, excess oil, and makeup in one simple step. Yeah, I really, really like this. I do use it on my face brush that I use every morning. I've used this every single day since I tried it out. I really like it. It's super light. I love that it's a gel because it makes a little bit of foam, but not like a crap ton of foam where it could strip your skin of anything. I just really like it, and it plays very well with the moisturizer. Both of those are available on GOLDFADEN MD. I never used that brand before, but I'm very, very excited to use it. I think that's a brand that I'm gonna probably like invest in, and that's something with Boxycharm I really like. They'll give you brands that you haven't tried. You may have heard of them. Like I've heard of GOLDFADEN MD. I mean, I've been into beauty my whole life, but I never tried them. So getting to try the whole system like that, I'm really into. So this stuff retails for $35. So, and I really, really like it. And on this website, the 5.0, which is a little bigger than this one, retails for $38. So pretty pricey, but I really like this cleanser. And I've been, like I said, I've been using it since then. And yeah, I'm just into it. I like it a lot. So that's that. Next product, I'm just going to keep this open because I have the Ipsy app. If y'all are an Ipster, if you have Ipsy, they have the Ipsy app where you can get to know what box you're getting, all the products in your box before it gets to your house. Next up, what's my next least favorite thing? Oh my god, let's talk about this. So I tried this out earlier this week. This is the Makiage Color Boss Squad eyeshadow palette. Y'all, I did review this earlier this week. Can we just talk about the packaging first? I don't even want to get into anything else until we talk about packaging. This is what it looks like, y'all. It's like mirror reflective. It's beautiful. It says Makiage on the front. It's got their logo on the top, and then on the back they have a list of the quad and what each of them are named. This is the palette itself, y'all. To say it's a quad, okay, to say it's a quad, I like the colors. The mattes are so buttery, it's crazy. Like, I love when I swatched them. I really it was really good. So the only thing about this I do not like is the shades that they have. You pretty much can only create the same look over and over again. The look I made, brow bone, highlight, lid, crease, contour, like that's literally what it is. But I'm not mad at that, because if I have to run to an appointment or something, I love having a little palette that I can just grab like this. Again, you can only really make neutral looks with it, which is funny because I had two palettes that were on totally different ends of the spectrum. The one I use today is the Sakura palette from Voss, and then this one is the Makiage Color Boss Quad. So there's two totally different ends of the makeup spectrum in both of these, but I love this. These are colors that are right up my alley. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, what sold me more on it is the packaging. I know y'all get on me all the time about packaging, but like taking this out of your purse, look how beautiful it is. And it's got weight to it too. It's heavy, so you know it's money, you know it's expensive. So this eyeshadow quad retails for, and there's a bunch of different variations of this quad, so if you don't like this shade, there's a bunch of other ones, but they're all pretty neutral. This retails for $48. Again, for a quad, if it was anybody else, I would say it's not worth $50 for 4 shades, but the shades are beautiful. The packaging is good. The only thing about the shades too, you do have to kind of build them up a little bit. So, but I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. I forgot to give Pure Star diamonds. I'm gonna give Pure Star 5 out of 5 diamonds. Yeah, the face wash, especially since they sent the moisturizer before, 5 out of 5 for that one. For this one, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5. I was gonna do 3 out of 5 because the shades are so boring. You could really just make one look with it. It's not very versatile. I gave a point back for the packaging. So Makiage, I love this palette. It is so stunning, I can't even. And I like the shade names: Lush Life, Carry On, Back Off, and No Bull. Yeah, and this is the shade Workaholic, which, ooh, this last 3, y'all, the last 3 products are all so good. I really don't even know how to place them. Let's do the palette first. Okay, so this is the Violet Voss Sakura Blossom, or Sakura Blossom, and the reason I'm pronouncing it like that, I was a huge anime fan and got really into Japanese culture for a little while, and that's how I believe it is pronounced. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. I know y'all will. But this is the palette. This is the look I made with it today. Let me show y'all. These are the swatches right here, and I have to tell y'all, this palette, I was so excited about it. And this one was one of my choices I had to pick. I don't have any pink palettes like this, so I really wanted to get something different that I never had, that I can definitely play around with and make a bunch of different looks with. So this one, the base of it obviously is pink because it's based off the blossom, but this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. The glitters are really good. I really love the mattes too. The mattes are very buttery. It all blends together. I will tell y'all this, that's a pigmented palette. I mean, when I went to do my transition shade, it really surprised me how pigmented it was. Like, as soon as I started doing it, I was like, oh, that's not what I was expecting. Like, super duper pigmented. The glitters are super strong. If you look at my lid, I did not use the glitter glue. I did not even carve out my lid. I just did it with my finger and added it on top, and I love it. The packaging is where I have an issue. I find the packaging is pretty cheap. It's like a cardboard, and inside they did put the names on the pan, so I do appreciate that, but it's just like flimsy and like, I don't know, it's just like really lightweight. But I will say on the back, so this, oh, it's up like that too. The words are a little bit raised, and on the back they have the full shade range on there. So I do like this palette, don't get me wrong, but just you sent that and the Makiage palette in the same box. It's almost like they switch out. Like, I need to combine both of them. Also, something else I don't like, I don't know if I've ever said this, but I'm gonna say it now. Something else I do not like, I don't like when packages match the palette exactly. Now, that's not gonna change my opinion on it, but I don't like when they're the same thing. I don't know, I feel like it's lazy. I like graphics and pictures and stuff like that, so I guess for me, I like to see something different, like the Makiage, where it's that brown, where this is the box and then you open it and it has that beautiful silver compact. I prefer that to just the same thing twice. But the palette is is beautiful. I'm just gonna take 1 point away for the packaging, but let me check the price, because if the price is really, really good, then I mean, I see why they had to cut corners. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, $42. You could do a little better than that, because Anastasia's are $45 if you get the regular traditional palette. So Violet Voss, that's the second palette I think I got from Violet Voss, and they are so pigmented. I will say that the formula is amazing. The glitters are glittering. That's that one. 4 out of 5 diamonds for that one. It's a very versatile palette, which is what I really like about it. These last two are a toss-up because both are so good. Let me start with the brushes. This is a brush duo from F.A.R.A.H brushes. I do have a couple of things from them. Oh, it's all the way up there. I don't want to get it. There's this gold brush I use all the time to blend my eyeshadow, and it's a really good brush. These two I absolutely adore. They are so freaking good. Like, I'm going to probably get rid of brushes to put these brushes in there. So there's two different brushes. The bigger one is the Brush and Powder C350. I did use this to do my powder and my blush today. Look how fluffy, y'all. Y'all can see it's got my powder on it, but such a good brush. I mean, just so freaking good. It's just, they're super soft, probably because they're new. I like that it's so big. It picked up the product really well. It distributed it really well. I like that it has that tapered like point, because you can get right here under your eye with it. I love it. I love it. I love the colors. I love that they're not. I like the colors. I like the fact that the handle is smaller at the bottom because it's easier to hold in your hand while you're doing stuff. And I like that it's not black, because I like having different colors of brushes. Every brush is black. Y'all can see behind me. Look at this. All black. Like, it's just nice to see something different. But for sure, like, this is my usual powder brush. I'm switching this one out with this for sure, and the blush brush as well. So the second smaller one is, I think it's Blush and Contour. Yep, the C30. This lane is freaking perfect. Perfect. I want to try it with a cream because I haven't used it with a cream. I used it to blend out my bronzer today and to apply my blush today, but I really want to see what it does with cream because the bristles are pretty dense, so I think it could hold that and it blends it out really, really well. I did it like this and then blended it up for my contour. Just good. Again, same thing with the design of the brush. I really like it, and I'm obsessed with it. This is really, really good. I'm going to be trading out, like I said earlier, some brushes for this one. This, like I said, this Boxycharm box was on point. This, of all the boxes I've gotten so far, and it's hard to make that call because they got a lot of good stuff, but I would say this is the best box I've gotten so far because I just love it, and I wasn't expecting it. Like, there's been some products I waited for that I was so stoked on, and then it got here and I was like, oh, that's it? But then when they got here, I was like, oh my god, okay, so this is the F.A.R.A.H Essential Brush Duo Set. Okay, finally, the F.A.R.A.H Essential Duo Brush Set retails for $24 for both of them. I'm surprised. $12 a pop? That's a good price point for those brushes. They are so nice, so well made. I'm surprised that it's that cheap, but I mean, I guess I'm happy about it. Just $24 for that one. That's definitely a steal. I'm gonna go with 5 out of 5 diamonds for that one because it's just, they're so good. Next, this is my favorite product, which surprised me because it was the one I really wasn't that concerned with when I saw the list of what I was getting. This is the Toyfactory Dollpaint Black and Brown Gel Eyeliner Duo Kit. Y'all, I used the black one today, and I'll throw y'all to me trying it out. It is so creamy. It's so smooth. It went on. I didn't even have to hold my lid back to start applying it, and it's so pigmented. Look at my eyeliner. I mean, it's so pigmented. It went on almost like a marker, like a felt tip pen. I mean, like a felt tip liner, but it's really good. So I want to show y'all the swatches for that right now. I'll show y'all the swatches for the black one, which I actually swatched while I was trying it out to see what it had. And I'll also swatch the brown one because I didn't get to see that one yet. So this is the black one. This is what it looks like. Packaging is pretty. I love that they did so many bundles this time. Like we got the two of the brushes and then these two too. I really like that. So this is the black. I mean, it's black. It's straight up black, and I am here for that. And then this one is the brown. I'm really gonna do that one with y'all so y'all can see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god, I can't even wait to use the brown. Like, I don't really use a lot of brown eyeliner. Every now and then when it hits me, I'll use it, and this one I cannot wait to use because it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. I also think these would be really, really good to smoke your eye out with. Like, if you want to do a smoky eye for whatever reason, this is my favorite product this month. And the thing is, Toyfactory has been hitting it out of the park. They gave me, oh, here it is. Yeah, the primer, the collagen primer. I love this. Like, their products are super pretty. I love the packaging. lining. I love the aesthetic with that pink liner. Look at that. And I used it to tight line. Tight lining was so easy with this because it just glides so easily. So I think that's everything, y'all. I'm gonna give the liners obviously 5 out of 5 diamonds. That's my favorite product, and unexpected favorite. I wasn't expecting to like it that much. Then when I started using it, I was like, oh my god, this is fire. This is really nice. So this month's box was probably, like I said, my favorite box. I did get to try everything out. I have some things in here that I feel like I'm going to use over and over again. The cleanser I already been using. Eyeliners I know I'm going to use all the freaking time. The brushes, those F.A.R.A.H brushes, I'm going to use those things. You're going to see those a lot. I love the 2 eyeshadow palettes, but as y'all can see, I just have so many palettes. I can never say like one is a go-to because I really do vary them. But yeah, and I like that the box, like the theme of the box was kind of pink. Like there was a lot of pink and silver in here, and I just adore it. So it's a really, really good box. I was blown away by it, I'm not gonna lie. Like, again, if you want to check out Boxycharm, you can click my link down below in the description box. Down there is also going to be affiliate codes and discount codes and stuff like that. That's all going to be listed down in the description, along with everything I am wearing on my face today and my social media, and each one of these products that I featured in Boxycharm with a link if you wanted to check them out separate from Boxycharm. And I am going to do my little shout out now. Hi Rowan, thank you so much for watching Nini's videos. I love you so much, and I will see you later. Thank you so much, little girl. I love you. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and I'll be here next time you want to get glam if you come on over and get glam with Marty. Bye.